If you are looking to learn CAD softwares, you have tuned into the right channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. This is your friend Amit. Let us start today's tutorial.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now in this lecture, we will discuss the customization of the user interface. If you have seen my previous video, in that video we have discussed about the basic AutoCAD toolbar, that is draw toolbar, modify toolbar, and so on. Now in this lecture we will try to make these types of toolbars. Now this making of the toolbars is called as the customization of the toolbar. Now if you can see the workspace of this time, so all the toolbars are situated at the top. Now to change or customize the toolbar, there is a shortcut key called as Customize User Interface. The shortcut key for the Customize User Interface is CUI. CUI is Customized User Interface. That is, the user interface can be set according to the user. As I enter CUI, we can see a new workspace setting situated on the top. 3 workspaces are there by default: drafting, 3D modeling, 3D basics. If I have to select a new workspace, I will select right click and go for a new workspace. Remember, you have to know the name of the workspace which you are making. If you have worked in previous version AutoCAD 2015 and below, you can see AutoCAD Classic by default being created. But I want to new workspace, so I will click on new workspace. I will write AutoCAD Classic. Now we have to remember that what are the toolbars which has to be inputted in the AutoCAD Classic toolbar. Once they are done, we will right click on the AutoCAD Classic and customize the workspace. Firstly, we have clicked on the new workspace. This time we will customize the workspace. After the customization, we will import all the menu bars. The menu bars consist of the file, edit, insert. These all be required in the AutoCAD. So we will take the menu bars all. But in toolbar section, we will select precisely the toolbars which are required to draw. For my selection, I am selecting as draw, modify, properties, layer, style, and standard toolbar. I can also select the workspace toolbar. Workspaces are nothing but the 3 or 4 workspaces which are being seen. I will also select the standard toolbar. After selection, first we have to do apply. We have to apply this workspace and do OK. Now as I click on the workspace, I have to show my AutoCAD Classic Workshop in the toolbar. For showing so, we will click on the workspace setting on the top and select the AutoCAD Classic. Initially we were having only 3 workspaces. The 3 workspaces are default installed in the AutoCAD as you install the AutoCAD software. Now we have made a new workspace, AutoCAD Classic, which we have seen in the previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, I am sending the link on the I button up. We can see that the AutoCAD Classic is now being made, but we have to undock the upper region. For undocking the upper region, we will right click on the region and close. After the region is closed, we can set the workspace according to our need. Now to show the menu bar, we will go to the drop down menu, select new, open, and so on. I will select up to match properties. These are the basic things which are required in the AutoCAD when we work in the workspace. We can also take workspace from here, but importantly workspace we can also take. Importantly, don't forget to take the menu bar always. The menu bar has to be taken always, since it will be used for giving dimensions and so on. Now to set the workspace, we can draw with the help of these dots. These dots can be used to drag the workspace, the draw toolbar, or the properties toolbar. If you remember my previous videos, I was calling this combinedly as the ribbon toolbar. Ribbon toolbar is nothing but it is consisting of various toolbars, for example layer, properties, standard, style, and so on. So the customization of the user interface always helps the customer or the user to set the AutoCAD workspace according to it. Now in the next video we will discuss about the setting up of units and the draw toolbar. Please do like and subscribe if you are new to the channel and share the video. Thank you.